Hello, bon dia. I'm Josep from L'Oixarel. L'Oixarel is a familiar seller. His family is a family producer of vineyard during 5 generations. And today we want to introduce the wine Amaltea of L'Oixarel. This wine have 2 grapes. It's a blended of 2 grapes. Xarel·lo, that is this vineyard of Xarel·lo, very ancient vineyard, 60 years, and have an ancient style of pruning. The name in Catalan is Poda en Bas, it's ancient style, because it's very old, this vineyard. And the other grape is Garnacha Blanca. 2 grapes, Xarel·lo of this vineyard and Garnacha Blanca. This is the vineyards of the white Garnacha. This white Garnacha is from Pla de Manlleu, the highest place in Penedès, 800 meters. And it's very nice grape, easy to drink. And we think that here is a good place to taste it. Fruity nose, but with the elegance of Xarel·lo, and then in taste very balanced, the acidity, the alcohol, and very easy to drink.
Okay, salud.
Cheers.